Hello and welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. In this video we're going to talk about juniper, the wonderful tree and herb that has been acclaimed for its wonderful healing properties, everything from its power action towards the urinary tract, being an antiseptic, being a diuretic, being a digestive tonic, and also a uterine stimulant as well, and great for rheumatoid arthritis, great for joint pain. Juniper is amazing because it's been traditionally used in ritual cleansing, and it was burnt in temples as part of regular purification rites. And even now when you find smudge sticks or incense blend, you would usually find the juniper plant along with lavender, along with sage and rosemary, as a way to cleanse the negative energy from the house, negative energy from the place and the environment. And it's also helping to be that nice antiseptic property that's really good for cleaning out the air from bacteria and so forth. So juniper is amazing. It's been used in different recipes, and it's even been used by the Egyptians when it dates back to 1550 BC. And in Central Europe folk medicine, they actually used the oil of the juniper. They extracted it from the berries, and it was regarded as an amazing remedy for all sorts of different ailments and other problems that were associated during that time. And when it comes to the juniper plant, we use all sorts of different parts of it in the healing process. For example, we use the berries, we use the essential oil, and we also use the not the stem, but more like the leaves, in making things such as incense blend and smudge stick as well. So the berries are amazing. They're ripe, they're blue, and they're mainly used for problems with urinary tract infections. Also, they're absolutely amazing when it comes to being great for arthritis, being great for gout. They also help to reduce gas and bloating, and stimulate the digestive system and encourage uterine contractions. Now, this is not what we want to do here, so please, you now know the effect of juniper on the uterine and its stimulation of contractions, so make sure you do not use it during pregnancy at all. I would not advise to be used during pregnancy at all, although there has been some cases of its use during labor, but I would advise highly to avoid during any stage of pregnancy. Also, you have different kinds of color of the berries, and this basically depends on the tree, the plant, the atmosphere, and so forth. So the berries can be used to make an infusion. They're lovely. Just simply make a weak infusion from the dried berries or from the fresh berries, something like 10 grams of berries to around half a liter of water. You can use it for stomach upsets, for period pain as well. It would be amazing. I've also found some tincture made from the juniper berry that is great. You take it according to the instructions, and this is usually to help to stimulate the digestion, helping with the urinary tract health as well. The essential oil is usually used for different things, and the essential oil is made from the steam distillation of the berries being ripe. The berries need to be ripe in order to make the oil, and the oil is a popular external remedy for arthritic pains, muscle pains as well. Internally, I do not recommend using the oil, although there has been some said information about its effect on the kidneys and stuff, but we don't want to go there because essential oils, in my opinion, only need to be used externally. They should not be used topically. There will be consequences to that, so please make sure you be responsible and sensible with the use of essential oils, and make sure you dilute them correctly as well. If you're trying to get into essential oils, I take maybe a short course. There's a lot of free courses about aromatherapy out there on YouTube, on the internet, on Udemy as well. Skillshare has them on the responsible use of essential oils to make sure that you get the most benefit out of these potent healing oils as possible. So the essential oil, you can add them to lotion, or you make your own lotion that is great to to be used on oily skin and acne. If you have sensitive dry skin, I would not use the juniper essential oil topically on the skin, specifically when it comes to the face area. The juniper essential oil is mostly for it's mostly for my apologies, oily skin and acne prone skin as well. Just simply add it to your face lotion, or maybe if you're feeling a bit creative, make your own juniper cream. Simple and great. All you have to do, add 5 drops of the oil to 50 milliliters of rose water, witch hazel as well would be great. Apply it to the skin that way. But then again, if you're applying anything topically on the skin, I would like to remind you to do a patch test first. It would be great because then you would know if you are allergic or not. Also, you can use the essential oil as a chest rub, and the way to do this is simply dilute the juniper essential oil with other oils such as thyme oil, which is thyme is absolutely amazing, and it serves as a antiseptic and it's an anti-inflammatory as well. So you can use 10 drops of juniper oil with the same amount of thyme oil. You can add almond oil as well, double the amount of almond oil. You rub it on the chest and it really helps with helping you to breathe better, helping with the lung health, helping with stubborn coughs as well. You can also use the oil and add it to bath water, and this would be great if you're suffering from muscle pain, from joint pain, from arthritis pain. It would be great for that. Also, if you suffer from located pains such as in the muscles or in the joints, then rather than adding it to the bath, you could also use it as a massage oil. So simply dilute the oil with almond oil, massage it into the joints. The reason why in terms of its scent or in terms of its kind of feel on the skin, like olive oil is. So it's best to use almond oil or jojoba oil for that. Also, it penetrates in the skin much more easier than other oils as well. So these are the benefits of both the essential oil and the berries, and it would be great. There are a couple of warning signs when it comes to using juniper in general. Please, as I said, avoid using it in pregnancy, any stage of pregnancy, because it is a uterine stimulant, and there is some sort of controversy on whether or not it should be taken during the late pregnancy, but I highly advise against that, so avoid during pregnancy. And in some people, juniper as a plant, whether it's essential oil or as berries, they may cause irritation to the Hello? Yep. So for example, in some people, juniper in all its forms may cause irritation in the kidneys if it's used for the long term. So make sure that you do not take it internally for more than 6 weeks without a break. Strong herbs such as these, they always need a break, and it's usually every 5 to 6 weeks there needs to be some break between it, so your body doesn't become reliant on it, and then you would make sure that you don't overdose. If you take it for longer than 6 weeks at a time without a break, it can actually cause complications such as kidney damage. So we've come towards the end of our video today. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Take care and have a great day. Bye bye.